Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to those who are going to sleep. Here in Lachunga Benguet, it's heavy rain. As you can see here, it's really raining. Blessings pouring out here. It's raining. So the plants are very happy. This is the view here and La Trinidad Benguet when it's raining. Can you see the rain? There is raining. Stop barking. The dog is barking. The dogs are in the cage. Okay, let's go to the other side. It is heavy and this is the view. I'm here in the third floor. I want to go to the fourth floor, but there's no there's rain. It's heavy rain here. It's more beautiful here. The view here is more beautiful. You see the highway is just over there. And those are the workers of the Valley Bread Bakery. This bakery is the biggest bakery here and Trinidad. Valley Bread Bakery. Those are the workers working. Yeah, those are the workers of the Valley Bread Bakery. It's so nice view. It's 12 o'clock here. It's lunch time. And it's heavy. This is all for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for supporting, for your comments, liking, subscribing, and commenting to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, everyone. And welcome, everyone. Bye-bye. See you next time.